Alright guys, and welcome to this particular video. So very quickly, we are going to be talking about the new Telegram update. You all know that Ton just rebranded to Gram today, being the 15th of June 2026. So it is very simple, and on this video simply I want to list out to you guys the things you should watch out for to avoid falling a victim of what I'm seeing everywhere online. All right, so you all know that what I just said right now, and of course there are some things that actually get my attention right here, which I think I need to address because a lot of people are falling for it already. For the fact that Ton has rebranded to Gram, there have been a lot of scam flying everywhere on the crypto space. So it's very important that I list out for you guys the things you should watch out for. Now, the first thing which I needed to know right here is that Ton doesn't require you to swap any token to Gram, meaning that no matter where you have your Ton, no matter the website or no matter the exchange or wallet, you do not need to make any swap. That is some you may go online and maybe see somewhere people asking you to swap your Ton to Gram. No, they doesn't require that. All you need to do is simply allow your Ton to change to Gram by itself. There's nothing like swap. All right, so over here guys, you can see the price of Ton right here is of course $1.77. After the announcement, we had a very little price spike. I think that should be from here, I guess. Okay, the price moved up a little bit from here and made a new daily all-time high of about $1.8. all right, so and over here checking out the Ton accounts over here on Twitter, you get to find out that they have made the official announcement right here, and of course they gave us the date which is today, 15th of June 2025. And of course, even if you check the Telegram channel of Pavel Durov, who happens to be the founder of Telegram, you will get to find out that today he hasn't even made any announcement about that. So it is not really a big deal, but I'm making this video right now to actually tell you guys that you should watch out for possible scams. All right, first of all, there is no swap, just like I said earlier, and you should also be aware of fake Airdrop, because now that Ton has changed its name to Gram, a lot of people are going to be using this opportunity to scam the people that doesn't really have much knowledge about crypto. And of course, there's nothing like Airdrop from this, so beware of people that's going to be claiming that Ton is giving Airdrop. And also you should be aware of fake Telegram bot that's going to be asking you some questions. They will just pop up on your they will pop up on your Telegram account, and they will be asking you some certain questions, trying to push you to give out your secret phrase or maybe fall a victim of scam. All right, so now watch out for fake wallet connection requests. All right, so before you connect your wallet, be very sure that you are not dealing with any crypto related software or whatever. Now you may see something like send 1 Ton to get 10 gram. Some people are going to be claiming that if you send 1 Ton, they are going to be sending back 10 gram. That is purely scam, and you should avoid that. Now, concerning exchange, some exchange has paused their withdrawal of Ton or deposit, and that is because they are trying to do the changing, a kind of trying to rebrand the Ton ticker to Gram. You understand? So that's what you should watch out for. And now watch out for official announcements from Ton, all right, about Gram. Now there's nothing like free airdrop or free token or do this to get this concerning the rebranding of Ton to Gram. All right, be aware of that. Now talking about the volatility, you need to be aware that because Ton changed its name, rebranded to Gram, we had a very little spike in price, and of course it won't stay like that forever. Okay, now another thing is that you have to verify whether an airdrop is officially announced from the official source before you participate on any airdrop. Also, avoid promising, avoid any website or airdrop that is promising you guaranteed return. That is purely a scam. And now, finally, let me list out some of the red flags that you should watch out for. Now, connect wallet to claim free Gram. That is totally scam. Another one is pay gas fee first to receive Gram. That is another scam. Another red flag right here is send Ton to receive double Gram. That is another scam. All right, now the last one is unofficial Telegram bots asking for recovery phrases. You should be very much aware of this. All right, so I'm saying this because I know a lot of you are not aware of this, and you guys may easily fall victim of this. Some of you guys may easily fall victim of this. You know, a lot of people are going to use this opportunity to try to scam the people that doesn't really know much about crypto. All right, so right now, if you have any Ton on your wallet, be rest assured that Ton on your wallet is going to automatically change to Gram. All right, so there's nothing to panic about. All right, so this is all I want to share with you guys about Ton rebranding to Gram, and this is of course a very good news because Gram is the name that Pavel Durov, who is the founder of Telegram and Ton, Gram is the name that he initially wanted to give to Ton before now, you understand? So but now finally he has given it that name, which is Gram. All right, so it is very, very simple, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please kindly consider subscribing. It is very, very important. All right, so thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll be speaking to you guys on the next video that I'll be sharing very, very soon.